Morning guys, July 8th, 2025. I got a call from an old lady I think I worked for before. Says she's got an old Carrier air conditioner that's not working. The son was over there and did the cleaning on it, and he thinks it's a capacitor, from what she said. I think I worked for this old lady before. I think she had a Goodman system over there that was an issue that needed to be replaced. I gave a price for last year. They never called me back. You know, sometimes they have other people do the work, and hopefully they're not calling me back to fix someone else's shit job. I ain't gonna, I'll go over like a fart in church. Yeah. People ask me for a price and then they go with someone cheaper. They call me to fix their flipping mess. That goes over like a fart in church. We'll see. Sure sounds like the old lady. Spunky old little bugger. She had a little spunk to her.
A junkie fan, they said, if your house is too hot, you'll die.
What about the other AC? Did you have it replaced?
No, I'm not spending the money.
You're not spending the money?
No, I haven't got any money. My husband died.
Yeah, I know that other system. I mean, it was really leaking.
Now I have cancer. They're giving me 2 years to live at that jungle.
That's it? You got 2 years?
It's a drug that's on Ibrance that's on TV. It's hoping it'll let me live for a couple of years.
What's that?
Chemo.
Chemo?
Every day, the pill.
Oh, you got to go. You got chemo? Yeah.
A pill in pill form, and then I go up there for shots in your behind. It's horrible.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've lost my hair.
Oh my God.
And everything, and you feel sick.
You must be giving them one hell of a run over there, huh? You going easy on them guys up there?
At Master.
Yeah. No?
I hope they cure me, but they're not.
No.
No.
Yeah, that's not good.
And you know what they're calling it? It's all from having a mastectomy 7 years ago. I didn't know cancer came back, but it does.
Oh, it does?
Oh, yes, they said. Because you know what they're calling it? Metastatic cancer. I've got it in the hip bones.
Oh, it spread.
It's in the hip bones.
It spread.
Both hip bones in the groin.
Son of a gun.
I saw the photos. I saw at least.
All right, let's see what we got going
At
on
least
here.
50 spots.
Wow. You got a critter living in here.
I do?
Mouse. Making a nest in here.
Oh, was it dead?
Let's see what we got. Let's see if we. So you're saying the fan runs, but that's it?
Yeah.
No compressor.
Yeah, it doesn't stick on.
All right, let me check it.
Ooh, a nest.
Let me pull the disconnector. We'll check the. Yeah, not easy, huh? Nothing's easy.
No, I had it before.
Look at the hard start kit on this thing too. It's probably the problem. It looks all melted. Looks like the delay is all flipping.
The generator.
Let's see if we got anything on the. I'll check it. It should be off. But check, make sure I got no power here.
Did you see the mouse?
Huh?
Did you see the mouse?
I didn't see the mouse, no. I seen the nest. He's probably on vacation.
Guy over here is 80 years old and has over a dozen chickens.
So you're just running window units then?
Yeah, but it's no good. It's 75, 76 in the year.
Yeah, well.
Better than nothing.
to replace that system up in the attic wasn't going to be cheap, you know, because it's kind of stuffed in there,
And then
packed in there like sardines.
And they're going to sell the house. No one wants it. They all have nice homes.
Yeah.
Their homes are only 5 and 10 years old.
Well, let's check the capacitor and see if this thing's even working.
Put one of
It's
those
got a hard
mice-
start kit on it, but I
I'll
don't
put a
know.
mouse house over here.
Say that again?
I'll put one of those mice and rat houses over here. It'll get it.
Orange. Orange. I gotta check that capacitor. Oh, we got a 30. So 30-5. That seems awful small. A hard stock kit. Let's see if it even works. We got anything there. A 30. 30-5. Microfarads. This thing we gotta let it sit and put it on there, and you gotta let it go from, yeah, gotta check the fan first. Fan. Nothing there in the fan. Common. Compressor. Nothing. Could be the capacitor. Could be the capacitor's bad. Nothing. Let's try putting that in there. This hard start kit's not any good anyway. It's probably dead. Alright, let me get a 30-5. Capacitor's dead. Let's try replacing the capacitor and see if it starts.
Oh, that would be wonderful.
Alright, I'm gonna change this capacitor. Just got the unit off anyway. I'm just gonna leave this on here for now. Taking this hot start kit's no good anyway. Stock kit. I don't think this hot stock kit's any good either. We got the orange, and then what else we got there? We got the orange. The red and the black here. Red and the black. Let's connect that fucker. Hot stock kit's all cooked. It's all disconnected for now. Red and black, and I'm gonna change this capacitor and see if it starts. It says the fan runs, but the compressor don't run, so let's see what we got here. Let's see if it's the capacitor's bad. Probably not. But you never know until you try. -5.
Don't color.
Common, which would be the 4-pole. That's the common, number 2 of the common. Number 2 of the common. I could put a hard start kit on this thing if I had to see if it starts. Number 2 of the common. And then this is the fan. Don't look bad, but not reading anything. That's the fan. I could put a hot start kit on it for now. Got a hot start torque kit I could put right here somewhere. For now, to see if it kicks over. That wants to go to the compressor and then the common. We'll get zapped. Put a screw in the fucking thing right there. Put a screw. Get a couple of screws loose, Mama. Put a hole for a screw in it. Out of the way. We'll see if it starts now. Should. We'll plug in a disconnect. This is all disconnected. We'll see if it starts. It should start. I don't know if there's any gas in it, but we'll see. Will it start? Yeah, compressor started. Yeah, we'll have to check the charge and we'll have it turn it on and see. Disconnected all this old hard start kit. It's not working anyway. But the new one is. Let's have it turn it on and we'll check it. Just for now, we don't know what kind of condition this thing is even in, right? Start removing all kinds of stuff and we'll wait and see what happens with it. I'll leave that there for now. I'm gonna put this cover back on. See if there's even any gas in the fucking thing. Well, it's getting warm. It's good. Got warm air. Oh yeah, we're good. Yeah, everything's looking good there.
I hate the heat.
Yep. The charge is fine, so he clean the outside coil? You said he did, right?
He just did this.
They cleaned the outside coil?
This one.
Yeah, the outside, yeah. Okay, she's looking good.
Oh, wonderful.
You got off easy, almost as painful as a shot in the ass they give you up there in Boston, but not quite. Yeah.
And then 2.5 hours to get there, 2 hours after, and you're going, oh my goodness.
It hurts, huh?
And you can't sleep for 4 days because the pain's terrific. Now I go, one, take the pain pills every day.
Wow.
They've given me hydromorphone, I haven't had it for 7 months. You know what? Life isn't easy, you never know. And then with the storm, there was a kid that came in and broke my gates. It's being held up by a piece of wood.
Who came in? Some kid?
Yeah, while it was raining because the tree. So he went in from one gate and out the other gate, breaking it off on both sides. Cars followed him. I called up and they said, well, you can't do anything. I said, you know, on my property, ruined everything. So did you?
All right, she's running. She's running. We got a runner here. We got a runner. Thermostat set at.
Okay.
Set it for what you want. It should be fine now. Not a bad unit.
No.